Okay, so that's a problem. Okay, that is the quietest horn I have ever heard. Let's see if I can get my speed to go off. I think my fob and my control of my thing's dying. It will not reach. That's really bad. Even when I put it up to my noggin, it doesn't. Okay, never mind. You guys know how the hello horn sounds. So today on the Mother's Mazda 3, we are going to be doing hello horn installation. Now, I didn't do this too long ago on the speed. As you guys know how you guys are, if I do something on the speed, it doesn't work with the Mazda 3s. That's just some sort of conspiracy you guys have. So just to make you feel better, we're going to be doing it on the Mazda 3 today, which involves taking off the front bumper and doing a little bit of basic wiring. It's gonna make the car sound so much better. I guarantee you guys that. So let's go ahead and get started. I think this is relatively same as the speed, so I should be able to run through this pretty quick, pull off the front bumper and get these wired in pretty fast. Okay, so there is a flat right here, right here, right here, and a screw right there that you have to take off. Now once you're done with the top there, go ahead and take the fender liner off. Alright, now since you've done on that one side, now you're going to do the same on that side with the fender tray and the top on the thing on top, and then every single bolt and thing on the front of the bottom of your front bumper piece, tray or whatever, every single one that goes around the front has to come off. Then you'll be able to pull the bumper off. So that's where the dinky little stock horn is, right there. What we're going to be doing is unmounting this entire horn assembly. We're going to be stripping back this wire. Basically, if you guys can see this, all it is a single power wire. So when we're doing the hello horns, we have to make our own ground, but we can still connect the power to the hello horn. Alright, so what I did to start this off was I took some, I think this is 16 gauge. This is 18 gauge, so 18 gauge wire is good enough. So basically just splice these two together, put them together. I'm going to wrap them in some tape, and then what we're going to do is run the power over to our first horn. Mounting the horns right here and then on the other side as well. So how we're going to do this is run the wire through there, and then I got this little rig-a-majiggy. Basically run the power through there and then run one power through that side, one power to that side, to the other side of the horn. So you got two power outlets. Okay, so I'm going to mount the horn up. What we're going to do is connect this into the power of the horn, measure out, put one into there, then we're going to put the other horn up, and then do the same thing but plug it into the other side so that it's both connected to the power. So now that's all in there. Now we're going to go and do the other part. So now all of the power is done. You don't have to worry about power anymore. You can go ahead and like try and hide these wires somewhere so they aren't so visible. We're going to go ahead and work on the ground. We're going to be mounting it to the washer fluid bolt right here. Alright, so I connected these two sides together, one negative from that side, one negative from this side. So now I'm going to go ahead and extend the wire all the way around to the bolt where the washer fluid is held, and then we'll test them out, see if they work. Alright, so everything's plugged in. Just put it up there, and I just sounded it off. Sounds great, and it works. So I'm going to go ahead and wire this, or put this all back together, and then we'll have a sound test. I'm also going to be hiding some of these wires down there as well. Alright guys, so the horns are complete. Front bumper is all back together. As for seeing the horns, as you guys can see, they're quite hidden, so it's kind of, oh, it's fine, whatever, it is what it is. So as for sound, I'm gonna stand out of the garage because it's really loud. Yeah, it's just kind of, it's kind of out there, you know. But anyways guys, that's the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more content like this. If you guys have any questions, comments, leave them down in the comments below. I'll get back to you with an answer. Other than that guys, keep it real. I'll see you guys in the next one.